Press that thumbs up button. Let's go. All right, so one of my favorite coins. Well, one of my favorite coins in my coin collection has got to be the 1938D Walking Liberty half dollar, where they only made 492,000 of those silver half dollars. I absolutely love the Walking Liberty designs. I discussed that in my top 10 favorite coins, but these are the top 10 favorite coins that I actually have in my collection. So the 1938D, #1 coin, well, not on the list, but you know, the first coin of the video in my collection. All right, #2, definitely an amazing coin here, a $5 gold eagle coin from 2016, graded at a perfect grade, mint state 70, gave to me by the one and only Brian Hooper. So make sure you guys subscribe to Brian Hooper. So yes, go subscribe to Brian Hooper right now. Absolutely an amazing gold coin. He gave me this for reaching 100,000 subscribers. By the way, we just passed 150,000 subscribers the other day, so thank you so much for that. We're on the road to 200,000, baby. All right, my next favorite coin is the 1995 double die obverse, which I've showed in other videos. So you can't see there's doubling from a distance, but if you look at this picture here, you can see a 1995 double die. So when you put this underneath the scope, you can actually see that doubling, which my scope is right there. So 1995 double die, third on the list. Now the next coin on my list, the fourth one, is gotta be the 1859 O mint mark. So New Orleans minted seeded half dollar. Again, a gift from Brian Hooper. Absolutely love this half dollar coin. Man, that thing is just amazing. Can you believe that people actually used to walk around and buy stuff with these things? That's crazy. All right, next on my list, I know I got a nice Morgan dollar over here from Brian Hooper as well as this one, but I really like the 1892 O mint mark. Again, if you guys are not familiar with Morgan dollars, I know a lot of people that start watching my channel, they're not too familiar with coin collecting. So the O mint mark is going to be right where my thumb is, right between the D and the O, right above that. So that's where you'll see an O mint mark. Or if you got a Carson City, you'll see a CC mint mark there. That is awesome. I absolutely love Morgan dollars as well. I've given away a lot of these Morgan dollars on this channel, so maybe we should do another Morgan dollar giveaway soon. Next up, I think this is the 6th coin, right? This is a gram of gold, Royal Canadian Mint. So very awesome. 999 fine gold. Love that coin, even though it's a small coin. It's gold. Next in my collection has to be off-center dimes. Absolutely love these. Again, Brian Hooper, man. I mean, Brian has done so much for this channel. It's ridiculous. Guys, look at that. I love this coin, man. Check that out. I mean, I love both of them. I really do. This thing is awesome as well. Check out that off-center error. Look for that in your coin rolls from the bank right there. That will definitely probably fit in a coin roll there. But this one, I don't see that one getting in a coin roll. Maybe a quarter coin roll. Moving on to my other favorite coin. Now, I found this in a coin roll. So a cap die coin. Absolutely love it. Back looks perfect. The front, you can see the cap die. So pretty awesome coin. Absolutely love it. I was going so crazy when I found this coin. I did a whole video on it. How many does that make? I don't know how many coins that makes. I don't know if we're at 8, 9, or 10. But some other coins that I do like on the front page here are the Standing Liberty quarters, Barber quarters, the Proof Washington quarters. I love 90% silver Washington quarters. We got a blank planchet here, penny planchet, 1907 Barber half. So that is pretty cool. I absolutely love those as well. And again, that's the O mint mark. So like those New Orleans minted peace dollars. I like peace dollars, but they're definitely not my favorite design out there. But I do like peace dollars. And there's that 1964. Look at the toning on that thing. Woo! Alright, so I guess that pretty much concludes my top 10 favorite coins in my collection. Be watching out for the metal detecting video because we're going to be doing a huge giveaway. Alright guys, until tomorrow, I will see you on the comment section below. This is Couch Collectibles and this is where I disappear.